Hi everyone. Welcome back to English Speaking Practice for Beginners. Today we're diving into a really positive and fun topic, giving compliments.
That's right. Compliments are a wonderful way to make people feel good. And if you're learning English, knowing how to give compliments can help you connect with others and build friendships.
In this video we'll cover different phrases and expressions you can use to compliment people in English. We'll explore various types of compliments, like complimenting someone's appearance, skills, personality, and more.
So, if you're ready to make people feel appreciated in English, let's get started.
Before we get into specific phrases, let's talk about why giving compliments is so important. Compliments make people feel seen and valued. They can brighten someone's day, and they also help create positive relationships.
Exactly. Giving a compliment is like sharing a little bit of happiness. And when we give compliments in English, it's a chance to practice kindness and improve our language skills at the same time.
Plus, compliments are great conversation starters. If you're learning English, they can be a great way to begin a conversation or make someone feel comfortable around you.
All right. Now that we know why compliments matter, let's learn some English phrases to give compliments. Let's start with one of the most common types of compliments, complimenting someone's appearance. These phrases are great when you want to let someone know they look nice or have a good sense of style.
You look great is a simple, friendly way to compliment someone's appearance. You can use it when someone is wearing a nice outfit, has a new hairstyle, or just looks good in general.
For example, if your friend is dressed up for a party, you could say, "Wow, you look great."
This phrase is a little more specific and personal. If you notice something specific that you like someone's dress or hairstyle, you can say, "I love your dress," or "I love your new haircut."
Yes. Complimenting a specific item shows that you paid attention to the details.
Imagine you meet a friend and they're wearing a new pair of shoes. You could say, "I love your shoes. Where did you get them?"
Or if someone has changed their hairstyle, you could say, "Your haircut looks amazing." It's simple and makes people feel appreciated. Now, let's move on to complimenting someone's personality. These types of compliments go deeper because they're about who the person is, not just how they look.
"You're so kind" is a heartfelt way to compliment someone's personality. It's a nice way to show that you appreciate their kindness and positive attitude. "You're so kind" is a heartfelt way to compliment someone's personality. It's a nice way to show that you appreciate their kindness and positive attitude.
Yes, this phrase is great when someone has done something nice for you, like offering help or giving you support.
This is a great compliment for someone who's always cheerful and looks at things positively. You could say, "You have such a positive attitude" if you admire someone's optimism.
Let's say a friend is helping you feel better after a tough day. You could say, "Thank you for being so kind. You're really supportive."
And if a coworker is always smiling and keeping the mood up, you could say, "You have such a positive attitude. It's inspiring." Another powerful way to compliment someone is by recognizing their skills and abilities. This shows you respect and value what they can do.
This is a simple and effective way to compliment someone's talent. For example, "You're really good at cooking," or "You're really good at solving problems."
It's a great compliment because it's specific to the person and makes them feel proud of their skills.
If you want to show extra appreciation, you can say, "I'm so impressed by your work," or "I'm so impressed by your singing." It's a strong compliment that shows admiration.
Imagine you're at a friend's house and they've cooked a delicious meal. You could say, "You're really good at cooking. This meal is amazing."
Or, if you're working with someone who's very organized, you could say, "I'm so impressed by your organization skills. You keep everything so well managed." Adding words like "such" and "really" can make your compliments sound even stronger. For example, instead of saying "You're good at painting," you could say "You're really good at painting."
Yes, and "such" works well with nouns. For example, "You're such a talented musician." It gives the compliment more weight.
Let's say a friend is a great artist. Instead of just saying, "You're a talented artist," you could say, "You're such a talented artist." It sounds more enthusiastic.
Or if a coworker is very organized, you could say, "You're really organized. I'm so impressed." These little words make a big difference in how strong your compliment sounds. Sometimes we want to give compliments in more formal situations, like at work or with someone we don't know well. Let's look at some phrases that work well in those situations.
This is a great phrase to use in a professional setting. For example, I really appreciate your hard work on this project, or I really appreciate your attention to detail.
If someone did well on a task, you could say, you did an excellent job on this presentation. It's professional and encouraging. Let's say your coworker completed a big task on time. You could say, I really appreciate your effort. You did an excellent job.
Or, if your boss prepared a report, you could say, you did an excellent job on the report. It's very thorough.
Now, let's talk about how to respond when someone compliments you. It's important to acknowledge the compliment politely. Thank you so much is a warm, simple response. It shows that you appreciate the compliment and are grateful for it.
This is another polite way to respond. It shows appreciation and is a little more formal. Example practice.
If someone says, you're really good at cooking, you could reply with, thank you so much.
Or if someone says, I love your dress, you could say, that's very kind of you. Let's practice with some scenarios. We'll give you a situation and you can think of a compliment to give.
Imagine a friend just got a new haircut. What compliment could you give?
You could say, your haircut looks amazing, or I love your new looks. Now imagine your coworker did an excellent job on a presentation. What would you say?
You could say, you did an excellent job on that presentation. Or I'm so impressed by your hard work.